Yeah.
It's like rubber wire that like lights up.
We're started.
Watch it, we're starting. Cool.
Yeah.
Got a folder, douche.
Really where?
Me too. There it is. Not you. You're like the nicest full stuff I've ever met. Yay.
Next game! Next game! Return to spawn!
Alright, I'm gonna move up.
I literally haven't even stood up. And I'm okay with that.
And I'm okay with that. Game? You
Cool.
did you get it up?
No, they fell down.
up there already.
Are we switching sides?
So we won.
Did we win?
Yeah, I did
Oh.
it.
I didn't even stand up.
Matt, get it up.
I ain't even stood up yet. I'm okay.
Here. This is the guy that didn't play a one game and is okay with that.
Yeah. Air Force, man.
Go. Hit. Polar Star douches.
Oh. Cool.
Hold up, Hunter.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Hey, how's my shooting? Good. Right here. Oh, you got hit in the lip.
Yep.
How's my ear look?
Does it look cool?
Shot in the lip.
How's my ear look? Got me right in the ear.
I got nailed in the sweaty part of my back. Does it look cool?
More or less. Looks like you got a cold sore, actually.
You guys sung game. We need to move up and get the flag. If we get somebody to cover the right side of that opening, we can get the flag up in an instant. Whatever happened to no headshots? Yeah, for real.
And I know I hit that guy. So
Yeah,
he better call himself out.
I'm gonna how long is respawn?
15.
Get the flag, get the flag.
Matt, you gonna?
Go, get the flag inside. Good.
No, I'm not. Hit.
Somebody move up.
Damn.
Let's game. Return to spawn.
Oh.
One. Go.
Oh, go.
Yeah.
You keep moving. Down.
Anybody on the flag?
I'm pinned. Matt, get over here. I'll cover you.
Go. Move up 10. Move. Go.
Hit. Get up there, guys. Come on.
I took the same guy out too. He keeps going on pushing for the objective. So.
Okay, douchebag. There people can camp.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You ready?
No.
There you can be behind this tree, and you can actually raise up the flag. I'll give you cover fire through the hallway. All right?
Where's the flag?
Right here. Yeah. Just go up here, go and get behind the tree, and I'm gonna press fire. There's a guy straight ahead. All right? Go. Go.
Go, move, move, move.
Game!
Hey, you're down. You're down too. I know.
That's it! That's it! Dang it, I was about to now. Oh. Do it again, Joe. That's it.